Ever wondered how a smoke detector can sense danger before you even see the fire? It's not just clever engineering, it's atomic science at work. Inside many smoke detectors is a tiny amount of radioactive material called americium-241. This element quietly plays a life-saving role. Americium-241 releases alpha particles, which ionize the air inside a small chamber. That ionization lets a delicate electric current flow between two metal plates, always on guard, ready to detect change. But what happens when smoke enters the chamber? The tiny particles disrupt the movement of ions, causing the electric current to drop. Instantly, the detector recognizes the shift. As soon as the current falls below a safe level, the alarm springs to life, warning you of a possible fire, long before you might even notice smoke or flames. A tiny radioactive source, a small electric current, and a life-saving alert. That's the science behind many smoke detectors. Remember, in your home, invisible atomic forces are quietly working to keep you safe. Tiny atoms, big protection.